Hello guys, welcome to Gabby's Tech. In this video, we'll be sharing some valuable tips on how to protect yourself from phishing links. Phishing attacks are becoming increasingly common, and it's more important than ever to know how to spot and avoid them. From suspicious emails to fake websites, they'll cover the most common tactics used by cybercriminals and provide you with the knowledge you need to stay safe online. So, let's dive in and learn how to keep your personal information and devices secure. Here are some detailed tips on how to avoid phishing scams. 1. Be cautious with links. Avoid clicking on links from unfamiliar emails or websites. Hover over links to see the URL before clicking. Look for misspellings or unusual characters in the URL. 2. Verify the sender. Check the sender's email address to ensure it's legitimate. Be wary of emails from generic addresses like support or customer service. 3. Watch for urgent or threatening language. Phishing emails often try to create a sense of urgency. Be cautious of emails that threaten to cancel your account or suggest your information has been compromised. 4. Check for spelling and grammar mistakes. Legitimate companies usually have professional emails without errors. 5. Look for the HTTPS and lock icon. Make sure the website is secure and has a valid SSL certificate. 6. Use two-factor authentication. Enable 2FA whenever possible to add an extra layer of security. 7. Keep software up to date. Ensure your operating system, browser, and antivirus software are current. 8. Use anti-phishing tools. Consider using a browser extension or software that detects phishing attempts. 9. Monitor your accounts. Regularly check your bank and credit card statements for suspicious activity. 10. Use strong passwords and a password manager. Avoid using easily guessable passwords and consider using a password manager. 11. Be wary of generic greetings. Legitimate companies usually address you by name, not with a generic greeting. 12. Don't give out personal information. Never provide sensitive information like passwords, credit card numbers, or social security numbers via email or phone. By following these tips, you can significantly reduce the risk of falling victim to phishing scams. Stay vigilant and stay safe. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. That's all for today. See you in my next video.